Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by selecting day-old Pandesal or lightly toasted rolls. You want drier crumb for crisp crumbs. Tier each roll into roughly 1 to 2 cm pieces so the processor handles them evenly. Once the batch is torn, spread pieces on a tray. Make sure there's no wet filling or butter. You'll work in 200 to 500 G batches to avoid clumping, and you'll move quickly to the next step to lock in that workable texture. Now pulse the torn pieces in a food processor, short pulses for coarse crumbs, longer for fine crumbs. Once you reach the texture you want, spread crumbs on a baking tray in a single layer. Bake at 90 to 110 degrees C for 10 to 20 minutes to remove remaining moisture. Stirring every 5 minutes prevents uneven browning. After baking, cool the crumbs completely. This step matters because warm crumbs steam and rehydrate, so make sure they're room temperature before the final sifting and storing. Finish by sifting the cooled crumbs. Press through a fine sieve to collect uniform breadcrumbs and return any large bits to the processor for a second pass. If you want flavored crumbs for Pandesal toppings, mix a light pinch of salt or a small sprinkle of garlic powder now. Be conservative, seasoning concentrates as crumbs sit. Pack into airtight containers. Store at room temperature up to a week or freeze for months. If crumbs clump, dry them longer at low heat. That solves leftover moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.